morning. There was a little snow last night out of nowhere. Not much, half inch or something. But it got all icy, so shovel the sidewalks and get going. Big cottonwood today. Ooh, these roots are huge. Wait till you see this. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hoopah! So we got some roots over here, and that runs back. We got a nice thick one right here. Something here. Ooh, this one. That root's amazing. It's the size of some trees. A couple over there. Power line. More roots. This thing's pretty gnarly. It's not that big of a stump, but boy oh boy, those roots, they're insane. So this is today's project. It's all fun and games until you throw a track. It's not bad. Just gotta loosen it up and pop it back on there, but dang it. Got the track back on. Cannot win on some of these. Man. The track, the hydraulic pump fell off the motor, which I didn't know. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional mechanic. I could rig some stuff together, but the pump is bolted onto the front of the motor and the bolts came loose, and that was my leak. So that was an easy fix. We're about done. A couple more scoops to get out of here. I just finished up on the fence line. I don't know. Pretty good, I think. There's a stump over here. Got a power line. And the whole thing. Got all the stumps that were over there, or all the roots over there, the big stuff that went through there. So yeah. Success, I'd say. get some more out of here and rake it out, clean it up, and I'll check back in. Oh yeah, looks good. Ready for a new landscape. Gotta fix some ruts. Call it a day. All done. Let's see what's in here. 30-yarder from my friends at Blue Bear. Oh yeah. Not bad. Well, that's it for today. I think I gotta travel a little bit tomorrow, going up north a ways, so I'll bring you along with me. Talk to you soon.